Hey guys, I'm here at Dairy Queen. Got me a little pecan pie blizzard. Let's check it out. Pretty excited. Wow. This is really good. Whoa, where are you going here? This has pecans in it. I taste caramel. I taste pumpkin, or not pumpkin, but pecan pie chunks in there. What's going on my phone? This thing is so good. Maybe one of my favorites. Other than Snickerdoodle, which they don't have no more. Come on, Dairy Queen. Good Lord, it's your fall special. You don't even have it. But this thing is amazing. All right, pumpkin pie blizzard at Dairy Queen. Let's see. I love pumpkin. To be honest, this has a little wing. Tastes like graham cracker in there. I would stay away from the pumpkin. I love pumpkin. Stay away. Last but not least, we have the toffee, sea salt toffee blizzard. All right. Ooh, that's good. Wow. You got caramel. You got toffee. And brownie. A little salty kick. Yep. This one and the pecan pie. Very good. Pecan pie is probably my favorite. Pumpkin is nasty. It's an imitation of pumpkin. That's the worst way to enter fall, with my first pumpkin being a disaster of a dessert. Okie Foodie King review. Go try your blizzards. Dairy Queen. See ya.